with these sunglasses. I'm serious. Hi and welcome to my live. I cannot see anything. I'm gonna take them away. But I will put them again in a while. Why not? Hi, welcome people. Welcome. We're gonna continue today. I'm going to continue today with my project here of learning Webflow. So what I do is that I go to Webflow. Let me just fix my technologies. Yes, I go to Webflow. I have started a demo project, which is the demo project is me recreating my existing website into Webflow in an effort to learn how to use it. Webflow, that is. So that's what I have been doing lately. So let's hang out with me while I'm working and learning, right? And if you know already Webflow, if you are a Webflow user, I would like to know, let me know in the comments, what is your experience so far? Do you like it? Do you prefer it? Do you come from WordPress? Do you come from something else? Are you a designer? You haven't used any other platform? I would like to know. So yeah, sorry. So where did we leave it yesterday? I left it somewhere. Let's see. Nope. Yesterday, yes, I was talking about having an issue. Well, not an issue. I didn't know exactly how to do the social media icons because I come from WordPress and Elementor, and those things exist in Elementor elements. You know, it has social media icons like Facebook, Twitter, and so on, and those are actually font generated. It's not graphics, it's not an image, but it's code, font generated code in a way. I don't know how else to explain it better, but it's not an image. If you look at the code, it's not an image, it's CSS, it's code. So I did some Googling now, so there is a way to do that. You need to import these elements. But anyway, I see that some people have had a hard time doing that, so maybe it's still buggy or I haven't read the correct tutorial yet. So anyway, if you're new here, my name is Xanthi S and I do WordPress lives, tutorials and Elementor mainly. But now this is not my regular schedule, this is like bonus live. So I wanted to learn Webflow, so that's why I'm doing those bonus lives. And it's because it's holiday season, so it's not so much going on. I don't have other projects so much. It's kind of chill. It's a chill period in a way. And so yeah, I'm going live whenever I have some extra time besides my regular schedule, which is Mondays, Fridays and Sundays. So tomorrow it's a scheduled live. So make sure to follow, subscribe. Where are my amazing click to actions that my friend Grimskull has made for me? Give it a thumbs up, subscribe, hit the like. No, we're not on Facebook, but subscribe if you're on YouTube today to get notified about future updates, events, new videos, and so on, you know, and the bell and everything. So, but let's go directly. I'm going to share my screen now. Let's get started. Where is it? We're here. It is here. There it is. So this is what I have built on Webflow so far. And where is it to show you as a reference? This is my website that I have built on WordPress and Elementor. The thing is that it is not based in any layout or any design because I don't do this. I'm not a graphics designer. I'm a builder. I'm the builder. So yeah, this is what I made. It's gone. So this is what I have made myself, like, you know, something that shows who I am, what I do, and I'm trying to recreate it here. I didn't find that. I have to find where this picture is and put it here. But okay, I'm doing it here and I'm kind of following Webflow's structure to see I don't want to mess it. I don't want to break it because they have ready-made layouts and so on. This one here is this one. It is a ready-made layout, which I'm going to show you. Here we have the elements, and here we have layouts. So I took this one, cards, to recreate my cards here, which I just put an image here, but I think I don't need those images. Cards image mask. That thing, it's something that I need to study to see how it works exactly. But yeah, I don't really want an image here, and I don't think I need so much text. It's good to have some extra text. It's good for SEO. So I'm just gonna go here and copy paste the existing text that I have here. I stream on Facebook and YouTube. I'm going to prioritize YouTube, so I'm going to change the order of the words because I want to focus on YouTube more. The thing is that I started streaming on Facebook exclusively, on a different note now, because I was hoping for the new Facebook experience, which you create your page, and once you get the new Facebook experience, the so-called new experience, you get to interact with everyone on Facebook as your page, and you don't have to switch back to your profile even with your friends. So that would make it easier for me to participate in groups, which I am already a member of groups, on WordPress related groups and blogging related groups, so that if you participate with your page, you get more exposure to your page, maybe to get potential followers, people to follow you, stuff like that. And but that experience has never arrived. It didn't arrive. It's a good advice. It was solid advice, but I said, okay, I'm gonna go to YouTube, and I'm not the only one in thinking that, like stopping on Facebook and focusing on YouTube, of course. But I have a page there and a following, so yeah, I'm having it there as well. Complimentary. So yeah, I'm just gonna click here now. I'm just copy pasting here, as you see. Here I have like a gradient, a purple gradient hover effect in the background, which I know how to build it in Elementor, but I don't know here how to do it, and I'm not sure if it's something, good to have also. I don't know if it looks good. I mean, maybe. But this one, I want to delete it. I don't want the image. Yeah. Delete. And we will see how I will do it. Delete. Or maybe it's good to have an image. Let me see. Does it have Control Z? Yes, it does. Maybe something, a streaming element. We will see. We will figure it out. It is live. It is live. Hi, Grimskull. Yes, I'm going live every day now. I don't know what is wrong with me. Yes, it is. It is. I did a test. If you're wondering, I did a test. I did an event on Restream because the link on the guild is not working. Of course it's not working. Why would it work? Oh my god, typical. Exactly what you say. I wanted to create a link, and then again, of course, I went live and I did. I took the link to stream. Not on the event, but on the dashboard. So of course it doesn't work. Thank you so much. Thank you, Grimskull, that you will repost it. Thank you. It is a learning process. I'm a beginner streamer, a content creator, and part of the Creators Guild, which is, no, wrong, this one here. Join us at creatorsguild.app. Let me introduce you now to the guild. So the guild, the Creator Toolkit, it's a community made by created by David Foster, the Impartial Geek, and all of us aspiring content creators, beginners, streamers, experienced streamers as well, vloggers, YouTubers, you want to do a podcast. We are gathered there and we are learning and sharing experiences and exchanging ideas and getting advice and those things. And, I'm using Restream, which today I shouldn't be using Restream because I don't restream on Facebook as well. But what I wanted to do is, because I don't have a countdown timer, like an intro timer, which that timer is good to have, for sharing the links, for checking that everything is okay, making a post on social media, to let people know that you're live. I don't have it. So I figured, okay, I will do a live, I will do an event. I will create an event. Thank you so much, Grimskull. Thank you. And George, sorry for being late. You were in the Matrix and Trinity wasn't answering my call to pull me out. Let me fix it. Now you're out. So as I was saying, I created the event so that I can take the link from there and use it and post it in advance 5 minutes before I go live. Figured that's a nice hack, right? You don't have a timer, but you can use the event link and post it and people can find you. And it was a nice thought, right? It was nice, interesting thought. But it was not good, nicely. It was not executed right. It was not a good execution. Yes. You will work on that. But no, Grivska, that is not what I have forgotten. No, that it is not you. I do not point out, no, and you're definitely not failing. Grimskull has offered to make me a countdown timer, which it is not necessary. I mean, come on, if there is a wheel, there is a way. I mean, I can find a timer on YouTube and use it. It's just that I'm lazy, so it's not you. But okay. So George, you knew it was coming. The glasses, yes, it's a new thing now. Those things will happen. Let me just clean them a bit. They're a bit dirty. We need to clean them. And those guys, they are like the real stuff. They are Oakleys, like from the 90s. I don't know how much my boyfriend bought them, but they are not cheap. Yes. So the Matrix is here. We are in the Matrix, right? We do live in the Matrix. We're going to wake up one day and we're going to realize that we are in a server somewhere. Anyway, back to the websites. You need looks like your branding. So that is oh yes, it is. Well, but it's okay. It's no rush. No rush. I am in a rush always, and you know that we have plans, and I am anxious and impatient. But Rome was not built in a day. So I'm actually a completely different note. We have paused the Webflow, but stay with us. If you're watching the replay, stay tuned because we are getting there. But listen also to what we are saying, beginner YouTubers. Grimskull, I'm training every day to show patience and not, explode with questions and suggestions and ideas because, I have to take it easy, breathe, sleep on the ideas, sleep on everything. And I know you're busy, so we're going to do it. We're going to figure it out. We have been working with George. We have been working together since October, is it? I think. And I think it's going great. It's working great. Sometimes you say you don't understand what I'm saying. And we speak the same language. Greek, like literally the same language. We both speak Greek, which should make it easier. But sometimes my brain is one step not ahead or backwards, but on a different level. maybe, and poor George tries to decipher what I mean, right? Yeah. Anyway, thank you, Grimskull, for saving my links in my live. So let's go back. No, this is the guild. This is the guild, the place where we all hang out, all of us aspiring content creators. So it is going to be one of those live streams today where the technology keeps getting fracked, right? But embrace the frack, as Dr. Elo says. Shout out to Dr. Elo. Yeah. So let's continue editing. So we are in the simple stage now of Webflow, where I'm just copy pasting content from my website. And that is now a question that it just popped into my head. I don't know if this website, if Webflow, if it gets it's not published, right? It's not published because I don't want it to get picked up by Google, but I think this is just inside their platform, and once to publish it, I need to click publish here, and if I click on that, not published, right? Custom domain, no. Advanced option, publish to selected domains. Okay, then it's not, because I don't want to have duplicate content. It's because you muddle everything into one sentence, talk about 3 projects we work on at the same time. Well, I'm trying to be efficient, but you have gotten used to me. Okay, yes. So you have helped a lot, George. You have helped a lot. You have helped me also trying to express myself better, to communicate better. It's not easy to communicate work-wise. I mean, you have to find a balance when you're starting a cooperation, whatever, not only work-related, anything. I mean, it's when you get to know someone, because I didn't know you, I get to refer to you by Vaso. So, it takes time to communicate, to learn to communicate with a new human being. So I think we're good. I feel like that we're good. And you don't have to be polite. If we're not good, tell me. So I will try to adjust myself even more so that I am making myself clear. But you're a great help. George is a Divi expert, by the way, WordPress and Divi. If you do WordPress, if you need help with your Divi, if you do your website on WordPress and it's built on Divi and you need help, George/Divi Guru. Those things. Yes, that's him. So yeah, I'm just going to continue now copy pasting the text from here to here. There's a button also. Here is a button because I stream on YouTube and Facebook. Here, follow me on my Facebook page or on my YouTube channel. The link has followed, hopefully. It seems so. Yeah, it has followed. However, the purple thing doesn't work very well, so I want to make it different. Link, layout, typography, background. If that is that the link? Yeah. So if I do the pink, this one, it's pink. The same here. Yeah. So yeah, I'm gonna continue copy pasting. I will try to multitask because I want to tell you guys and girls, do you know how hot it is here? And I live in Sweden. I mean, you don't expect Sweden to be a hot country, like a warm, like heat country. But it is. Not always. But when it is, it is. And did you set the typography or did it come in automatically? Well, that's a good question because I did set it originally somewhere here when I was doing that, like Montserrat. I selected Montserrat somewhere. It was something else. And now it has taken it automatically everywhere. So, yeah. 35 Celsius in Paphos in Cyprus. Here it is 22 right now. Okay, it's evening. But today it reached 32 when I came home from work. It said 32, so we just packed. and went to the beach. We don't have a sea close to us, but we have the lakes. I mean, Sweden, it's full of lakes. So we just went to the local lake, full of people. It's a big beach. Nice, spacious, a lot of people with distance, of course. You know, they have signs, keep your distance and everything. But it's a big place. I mean, it is hard to get crowded. Which it is crowded. Even when it's crowded, there is a lot of, space or next to us. 32 in Sweden, George. Yes. And 32 or 30 degrees in Sweden, for me, it feels like 37 because the sun doesn't really set. So it gets dark at around, 10, 11, and it's not even pitch black. And by 3 a.m., the sun is up again. Here in where I am in northern Sweden, it's sunlight constantly. But it is not as warm up there, but still warm. I think it's 20 degrees up north. So you have constant heat, like, the sun, is it closer? I don't know. It is insane. Exactly. It is insane. It is not uncommon, of course. I mean, there is summertime in Sweden. We have summertime and it can be very nice. But the summertime, 25 degrees, 27 degrees, that's good. 25, it's nice. And it's not uncommon to have 20 to 25 degrees. That's okay. But 30, 32, that's what my clock says. Today, it says max, it was 33. Tomorrow, it will go 27. Saturday, 28. It's going to rain a bit as well, which is the worst. 28 and rain, it's the worst, I think. But then it's going to go to 21. I'm just looking here at my watch. 22, 23, 24, 24 next week. So yeah, it is hot. It is bloody hot. So yeah, and tomorrow I am going officially on holidays. Well, tomorrow I go to work. And then after that, it's holidays for 4 weeks. So the plan is, of course, I'm going to create content here and everything. You will be a better developer if I can't live here. I will forget the differences between day and night, and you will get more done. Yeah. And in the winter, it's like a constant night. Like we get daylight for from 8 to 3. 3 can be a bit, it gets to get dark. Yeah. It's like you wake up, you go to work and it's dark, and you finish work and it's still dark. Like you go to work and it's night, you come home, it's night. And in the summer, it's the other way around. Yeah. Now I need to put some buttons here. So today we went to the beach after I finished work. The boys were home already. They are on holidays already. I don't like this development here. Yes, I did drag it in the wrong position. So I came home, packed. Come on, don't do that. Come on, stupid button. I'm going to do it like this. I packed, changed, and why is it doing that now? I don't understand. Do you see what's going on here? Can I copy and here? Is it because there is no place? Button. Can I put it here? I took it. Okay, then what's the problem? And it is very warm. Speaking of warm, and speaking of holidays, warm, heat, summertime, holidays. Can you think of something that goes well with those things? I will help you. It's beer. I have a colleague that works, is from Belgium. And she has given me occasionally some nice Belgian beers. Oh my God, they're so good, but strong. Hi, Kevin. Do you like beer, Kevin? Tell me, do you enjoy drinking beer? How hot is it? what is the temperature in Ireland? Because here is bloody hot. It is like, I'm sweating now, but okay, I have closed all the windows because I don't want the sound from the kids playing outside. They're still playing outside, yes. So, you like beer. Okay. I had, today was hot. I said here today it reached 32. Now you want to go get a beer. Okay, can we talk about beers a bit? Drink responsibly, guys. Okay, I'm talking about one beer occasionally. I'm not a heavy drinker, but when it's summer and holidays, some beer, it's nice. It was 27. Yeah, my watts, well, of course I could feel it also, but the number from, I think the data it gets is from weather.com, 32 in Sweden, yes. So, the IPA or IPA, Indian Pale, is that, yeah? First time I tried it, it was not a good experience. I'm not going to go into too much information, but my stomach, I couldn't tolerate it. I don't know. But maybe it was a bad place where I had was a bad beer because it was on a tap. It was not a bottled one. It was on a tap, and it was in Copenhagen in a bar. The bar was nice. It was not bad, but I don't know. Who knows? And I was persuaded by another colleague today at work to, give it another shot. And we got some Indian Pales. You need about 10 pints right now. Okay. IPAs are hit or miss, especially the craft. Yeah, it was I just said I'm going to give it another try. And also I ordered I didn't order. I asked politely my boyfriend because he went out. Because here in Sweden we have the Systembolaget, which is, you cannot buy alcohol anywhere. It is controlled. We have talked about it before. So it's only certain states controlled. It's a monopoly. So he was going to go there to get some beers, and I told him, get some IPAs and get some Belgian beer. So 2 of each or something. So I have my Belgian, no, he didn't get Belgian. He got Swedish. Some Swedish, no, the Swedish was, I don't remember. Boyfriend, are you watching? I don't think he's watching. Anyway. Yes, so I'm going to do an experiment, and I'm going to tell you next time after I have tried it if it was like a bad tap IPA Indian Pale, or or if I really cannot tolerate it. We will see. So in the meantime, let's learn some Webflow. What I don't like is that, well, here it is, those buttons are aligned on the bottom here, right? And right now it's, let me see if I can, I have my phone here. And I want to ask my boyfriend, see, it's, if you can bring me beer. Can I have a beer? So yeah. And I'm not a heavy drinker. I mean, I can barely finish one bottle, like a real bottle. Is a pint a bottle? Is a pint 750? Is that how much it is? How much is a pint? Let me see. Like in volume. How much is it? Not in price, like how much does it cost? How much is a pint in ml? It's 473. So it's barely half a liter. Yeah. That's about it. So 10 pints, you mean 5 liters? That's a lot. That's a lot, but I mean, it's a lot, but it's not uncommon in the summertime for people to drink that much beer. I know my dad, he drinks a lot of beers in the summertime. Like he's really thirsty, and the Imperial pint, it's 568 ml. So it's okay, I get it. The Imperial pint, of course I know you, isn't that how it's called, the system, the metric system, when it's not a metric, but the measurement system, but Imperial, it goes directly to Star Wars. The reference to my head. Okay. So here I have join me, and it goes to Facebook. No, I want to send people to my YouTube channel. So here, this is going to be join me, and the link, insert link. Yes, I want to insert link. Where is it? Where do I put the link? How do I put the link? If I click on the button, is the link somewhere here? Background, borders, effects. Wait, layout. Buttons, link settings. Here it is. Okay, I found it. We found it, people. Manually, of course, because why not? www.youtube.com. Can I have are you bringing me beer? Mm-hmm. Thank you. Which beer is it?
Poppels.
Let me show it to
India Pale. Top of the line Swedish beers.
It's Swedish. Let me bring it full screen. It's this one. Poppels. Poppels session. It's Swedish Indian Pale Ale. Okay. Thank you. It is very warm, and I felt like, a beer is important. Careful, you dropped. Don't. Bring it. Bring some towels, please. We had an accident, of course, but that's okay. It's part of the live. Hello, boyfriend, says Kevin, and it's Grimskull and George here. And my God,
what?
You have created a mess here.
When do I know?
Yeah, and bring some paper towel, please. I cannot get up now. I have my cables. But this one also. Bring some paper. Bring some toilet paper. It's okay. Come on, baby. Grog Papa. Exactly. That is exactly what happened here. So he poured the beer and yes.
Well, that's how you pour a nipple. It's like champagne.
It's like champagne.
Yes.
Well, okay. It smells nice. It is. Cheers.
That's how you do it. Just let it grow.
Have the irons ready. Grimskull has the irons ready. Yes. Okay. Thank you.
Mm.
Thank you for the service, for the beer.
Yeah.
Yes. It tastes good.
The IPA is like the champagne of beers.
The IPA is like the champagne of beers.
You just I would like to Sabrera sometime.
Okay.
You know Sabrera?
No.
It's when you.
To open the bottle like
yes.
this. Yeah. Well,
yes,
no.
That's
Okay.
how you do it.
Okay. Now Trinity is going to enjoy the beer. Hi. Now I can say this is not ready. Not water. This is not water. This is not water now. Now, yes, guys, this is beer. Exactly, because I have my water usually, but now it is beer. I admit it. Drink responsibly, okay? We are not drunks here. We just enjoy a drink occasionally. It tastes good. I hope my stomach will agree in a short while. But it does taste very good. And oh my God, it is a good beer. It's good. And it has some nice herbs. I don't know, but it's good. Enjoy 1 or 2 or 5 or 10. Well, I stick to 1. Not drunk, he says. Speak for yourself. Okay. Are you drunk? Sorry, I have to clean a bit here. Oh my God. Yeah. and we'll I cleaned it with some towels, but some more here. Yeah. Now, I think we're good now. We can continue learning Webflow. You do like the thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Hey, my cousin is behind you. Which one is your cousin? You have to tell me where to look. Because I have many things. Is Hello Kitty your cousin? No, I'm joking. I don't think. Which one do you mean? The Stormtrooper L Rex from Mass Effect? Or is it something else that I don't understand? The skull looking guy. Him. Yes, that is definitely your cousin. This is from Halloween. We lost the legs, unfortunately, so I just put him in the glass. This one. So we have a Halloween decoration in this household 365 days a year. Yes. So, which is also a skull. Yes, of course. Everything, the glass is a skull. Yes. My sister bought those for me from Greece. So yes. At some point, I will go back to Webflow. Today it has been an adventurous live stream, and if you're watching the replay, I hope you're enjoying. You're having a good time. So, beer is here, computer is here, live is here, amazing chat is here. Let's continue. So, what I want to do now is I want to put a link. I was stuck. Yes, I put the link here, and I got stuck here, but now I got unstuck. Okay, good. So we have a link here. Join me. Right? Yes, open a new tab, default, no. Custom a attribute. Do we have like, I don't know, what kind of attributes could that be? Something that I don't want to do right now. Is that is a text? Okay, no, I want text to be white. I want the background to be not blue, and it's here, exactly. The background can be pink, yes, right? Right. So the link is here, and on this one, yeah, what I wanted to do is I want to give some padding. I would like to take it, no, not padding, sorry, 9. That was on 9. Margin. Is there a better way to do it? I mean, ideally, I want those things to be aligned on the bottom. It looks that it is aligned. Maybe one more pixel. Maybe. Looks okay. 40, I guess. And this one is what link do I have here? Learn more. Oh, well, that one is linking to an internal page here on the menu. So I'm gonna leave it blank for the moment because I don't have a link yet. Learn more. But I'm gonna change the colors and anything. We need to figure out states when we have time. Yes, exactly. States. And something else. Remember when I was stuck about here about the Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, Instagram? I don't know, did you hear it when I said in the beginning? Those social media icons, especially like in Elementor at least, probably the same on Divi. They're not graphics. They're not PNGs or anything. It is some sort of code, like fonts. it's some sort of letter. It's a combination of fonts, of letters that generate this font. And I did some Googling here. And you need to download the Font Awesome icon set, but this is from June 14. This is an old tutorial, so maybe there is something else. So it works with, so this is the Font Awesome. Start for free, get vector icons and social logos on your website with Font Awesome, the web's most popular icon set and toolkit. Yes, it's Font Awesome. Yes, that. So somehow I need to figure out how to use that in Webflow. I haven't discovered yet if it is existing on Webflow, because I read someone that go to the 3 dots. Is that those are 3 dots? No, maybe the 3 lines, the hamburger menu, and install, add to the library the fonts Awesome. I mean, maybe do I have to manually import them? I don't know. I haven't. Yes, Divi and Elementor have Font Awesome integrated. So I haven't discovered if it is integrated somewhere that I have to bring in, or if it's just a matter of, making an account and bring them in, which is not a big deal. You do it once and then you have them. Either or, whatever, something like that. But for now, I'm going to leave it like that. So yeah, I'm gonna change here the color. So pretty much Webflow, it's, easy to work with, I guess, so far. Now this one I'm using, that is tricky. I'm using the Buy Me a Coffee. Guys, if you like Buy Me a Coffee, if you enjoy my content and you want to support this channel, and you like tutorials and you have an idea for a tutorial, leave me a comment, or let me know if you need help with something. And if you enjoy the comment, buy me a coffee. Like Grimskull has it, your people can buy you sushi. That is a nice idea. So what George says, does it allow you to move columns like you do in E? The way you break element, or you mean change the size of the columns, you mean? It has something. If you mean that, look, it has created, here we have this kind of, I put it in the wrong, if I'm here on the bottom and I just want to add a section, so we have a section here, and inside the section, if I understand it correctly, I want to put columns. So here I have 2 columns or 3. It creates 3 or 4 or 1 like this, with similarly to Elementor and Divi, but I don't know if you can change the width. Okay. I mean, you can change the width. Columns. I forgot. I did something yesterday. Which I don't remember. I know what you mean. I'm not sure if it allows you to do that in the way you want, but I did something up here on those 2. But it's a div block. And this is a flex container. I'm not sure if it allows you. Oh my god, if it lets you do that, change the width. Is that a good thing or a bad thing? Because usually you don't like it when I do it. You're going to cry. I don't know. I think it should be able to let you do that somehow, but not like dragging or dropping. The section here, we have a width. Okay, we have fit, fill, contain, cover, no, none. Scale down. I don't know. That is a good question. I mean, you can do that. You can do that. You can do that. And the column settings. Now show all settings. So here we are. It shouldn't. Yeah, you people like breaking the responsive grids. Yes, and that is what Webflow is promoting. I read it also on their website. They have it responsive layouts. So yeah, customize. I don't know. I don't see it obviously to be somewhere, but listen. I'm guessing that if someone knows Webflow inside out, there should be a way, manually with some code somewhere. But I don't see it to be very obvious as it is right now. So maybe that's a good thing. Yeah. So those here are, let's see what they are. It is a cards grid container. So this is a grid. And I don't know if it lets you... look. Oh, look at that. Look at that, George. Don't cry, if is that what you mean? But you see, it changes the other two accordingly. So everything is responsive, I guess. So you can do that on grid. Yes, I mean, of course, why not? You might want for some reason to have like a small here, and if we have it like this, I'm gonna keep it like this, okay? Done. Here we have this one. It has created two columns here, or is it the ones that I added before by mistake? Delete. Yeah. See, it takes them automatically, like Elementor, like this. And like this. So, I don't see it as a big problem as you do. I understand why you do, but, it can work. Because it makes them... Okay, this is on the tablet. iPad. Here is fine. It's not like it's squeezing everything there. So... Let me go fix it back though. Cards. I know, how did I... Now I want to go back to the blocks now, to the grid. How did I... there it is. Yeah, you need to find where to click. So it is one FR, which I don't know what FR stands for. Oh my God, oh, the padding's here. And I didn't want to do that. It's this one. One FR. Auto feed, it's a flexible. I read that the other day. Auto feed can be enabled when there are auto flexible FR or other auto feed columns or rows. Okay. You remember the project where the middle column was not the right height? I'm not sure. Must have been one in the beginning, like November, October. What project? The gardens, something that had to do with the gardens. Is that it? So yeah, okay. Now I want to add the code from Buy Me a Coffee. Oops, I didn't want to click the link. Oh, this is my Buy Me a Coffee page. And what I'm going to do now is I'm going to log in to get the code, which of course I can take it from here. I don't remember what it is now. Oh, okay. Did I lost my password? No. Why is this happening now? Because I'm logging in with the wrong account. Probably could be the case. I don't like this. I need to drink some beer. George, why cannot I log into my website? Whatever I have problems I have. I say, George, what's going on? I'm gonna go to my secret place where I have all my passwords. It is not online, as in this is not what this is water. This is water, so I'm not going online. And I'm going to find my password. WordPress. Okay, it was probably I have so many different passwords on Google, on Chrome. So takes more time than usual, so it's probably logging in now. It's working, and if it is working, one FR is a term from CSS Grid. Yeah, I figured that. I mean, it's like the way they are measuring the grids distances. One is probably, the perfect. That's how it should be. Update password. Okay. Yes. Visit site. I forgot to put the music. Guys, tell me. It's an input that automatically calculates layout divisions while adjusting for gaps inside the grid. So you see, George knows stuff. More technical stuff. So I'm going to go to Streambits. I should know those things also, right? I mean, I figure it. I see it. It's just that you put nice technical words around it. Why it is, how it is. Okay. I'm putting some lo-fi from Streambits because I like it. Tell me if the music is okay. And I'm just gonna get now the HTML code. Can we add HTML code on Webflow at this point? I'm not sure. On the free version, I mean. So, it's loading. I'm not sharing. There it is. Now I'm sharing. I hate it when it happens, but it's usually part because of some updates. That's always the case. Takes a long time to load. Let's see what else we have here. Yes, here. I'm gonna put clips from my YouTube channel. I'm gonna go to YouTube and I'm going to find myself. There I am. Oh my god, it took that thumbnail with me drinking beer. Oh my god, I'm going to remove that. I'm gonna take it away. It is child friendly. No, it's not child friendly, my channel. Well, it's not like it is not child friendly, but okay, it's not child friendly according to the rules of Google. So which one was a good live? Tell me. Let's get a good live. I want to take this one because I think it's important for people to know that. Also have a question. I don't know if you can help me on this one, which I probably figured out that I want to do that. So the live streams are nice and amazing and everything, and it's so much fun, right? We all enjoy going live and interacting also. However, because my lives are usually some sort of tutorial that I show you something, and because there is a lot of interactions and we're having fun, I get distracted, and it's not like it's the best flow. I'm no Joseph Clough. Let me just put it like that he's doing a great job delivering his point and his subject and his theme. Is that what it's called? Delivering his meat? Is that how it's called? We can mention the WooCommerce thing. We probably know it, but I will, if you have a WooCommerce website, make sure to update it because it has been a massive hacking attempt on it. So go do the updates. So yeah, because I don't like now, you see, I was talking about something and I got distracted. So the idea is, of course, to leave the live streams there, but that tutorial that I want to show, make a recorded video about it, a new one that I'm going to upload it later on, which is going to be just me talking about it without having the distractions of the chat room. Which I love the distractions, you know, in the live. That's what live is about, you know, interaction and connection. But you know, what do you say? I don't know, maybe to have slightly different titles so that, you know, the ones that are live have the live in the front and, you know, talk live and the subject that I'm talking about. But when it's the recorded tutorial, optimize it even better, like how to add a hero section. That is a great title. But when it's the live, that might not have a lot of replay value. Maybe just have live stream about adding a hero section in Elementor, but then record after a week or so. Have it specific how to add a hero section in Elementor Pro tutorial 2021 also, you know, or tutorial for beginners or for advanced or for intermediate. I think so, because the live streams are like usually an hour, 40 minutes, 50 minutes, and someone will not have the time to watch all of it, right? What do you think? Don't you agree? I mean, that's how I think of it, and that's how I'm going to do it. So yeah, I need recorded. I mean, we have established that. I have talked about it also on the guild that I recorded, and even David Foster said, of course, recorded is also good to have. So yeah, and some vlogs. I want to do vlogs. It's been a while since I did vlog. Yeah, I will do that. Here I am. Also, it's, oh my god. Okay. So yeah, I wanted to go here to grab the code. As I said, now it's working. Okay, Control A, Control C, and the button here. But I want to add an HTML element, I think. But was it? Yeah, it is stars, which means I need to have hosting. It's those things that are restricted for now, so I cannot have that. So okay, we will pretend that this button is buy me a coffee. Well, I can send people directly to buy me a coffee page. They just need the process of how to do XYZ. Exactly, yeah. You do recorded ones for your clients. Yes, exactly. So yeah, I'm gonna do a batch of those recorded videos and schedule them to get posted like once a week or something. What did I want to do now? Buy me a coffee. It's getting late, 10:30. Buy me a coffee. Yeah, I mean, I can just put the link directly so people can come here and, of course, buy me a coffee if you want. Here. So yeah, the link, it's there. So well, that worked. Of course, why make our lives harder? Make our lives easier. So yeah, this one, yes, change this to pink, and here we are. Now let's go to this one's here. I don't know if Grimskull, if you're still watching. I'm not very happy. I know that I'm not very happy with here. It looks a bit better. So what is it that I'm not doing nicely here? It's not, I need to have a larger font, right? Because here, I don't like how the layout is here, but let's increase the size to 20. No. You need to click enter to take the change. Now I took the change. It doesn't take it. Why? What is going on? Why? Yes. And I also need to change. Looks like it's aligned to bottom. I'm talking about the who I am and join me on YouTube. Doesn't look so nice here, this section, who am I, with the text here. Here is kind of okay. Maybe I need more spacing around it, a little better. And larger, bigger font. And here I need to change some line spacing. Where is it? I found it the other day. More type options. Here it should be letter spacing, text intent, letter spacing, but it's the distance between letters. Breaking. Is it more? All caps for headings. Maybe. Yes, whatever you say, I follow. You are the graphics. And well, instead of doing that, I can do that. Yeah. I mean, everything could be everything. This also. That. This is some text that I can figure out later, but definitely increase the text. Make it to. So on Elementor, you can right click and do copy and paste styles. And I know that you can do that also on Divi. I'm gonna go caps on the headings. Grimskull, yes. But maybe those ones as well. Let's see how they look. How they become a bit more. Doesn't look bad because they get a line on the left. And this one is this definitely needs to get more. They need some margin to go on more on the bottom. Here. Let's just do it now by the eye. What did you remember, George? No, okay, I have alcohol. I'm good. You can tell me. I can take it. Well, I'm not thrilled with it. But okay, I'm gonna sleep on it and see if I want to change it. And it's not like I know what I want to do yet. No, that's not what I wanted. Regularly. No, nothing. What is it? 10, 18, yes. What font size do I have here? No, it's not only 18, it's bigger. It's 20. Okay, let's do 20. 20. But it has some letter spacing, text intent, columns. I want the line height. Where is the line height? Where is it? I don't see it. The painful talk we have with clients trying to explain that title text and normal text should be like X lines so that the columns are the same size. Oh yeah, I know. You know, you get the layout from a graphics designer and it's perfectly nicely aligned with some dummy text. And then the customer comes and they create a title that it's like, I don't know, 3 lines instead of 1. And of course it doesn't work or it doesn't look good. You're right, George. But you know, it's not like I'm not a designer, but I know that what I see, I don't like. It doesn't look nice in the eye. And where's the line height? I want to see the line height. Typography, height, is that it? It's that. But it goes with pixels here. Don't they have the, isn't that? Yeah, like 1.5 or something. Yeah, there we are. Exactly, right in front of me. They think that it's going to fit automatically. Yeah, they don't get it. I mean, of course, it is part of the job of the developer slash designer, whoever person is doing the development, actually, to educate the customer, because the customer doesn't know, and I can accept it because it's not their job to know, but it's their job to listen, because that's why you have hired a professional, right? So yeah. So like here, I mean, I either need to reconsider my content so that it will fit nicely here, or, you know, have a different layout. You know, I know, George, you know. Maybe, I mean, buy me a coffee is more of a click to action, and it doesn't belong in a card like that, I think. So what I'm going to do, you know what? Delete it. Delete it. Delete it. And can I delete it? Delete column. Yeah. And this one, replace image. It's probably something better like this, to work like this. Okay, now I have put the same image, but you know, we're working on it. Yes, they need to listen, exactly. That is the that is a challenge. No, EM. Here it is. Okay, I think this one needs some more padding. I'm gonna put 40 on the top and 40 on the bottom. Yeah. And wait, here now, but let's see how this is going on, because I did put a video. No, didn't I put a video? I did put a link, but okay. This one is a tutorial. This is a tutorial, and I just go directly to it. Okay, good. And it's 5 minutes. I mean, that is a nice duration. Webflow might be cool after all. Oh, what was it? What did I do? It looks good. And but it needs to take the enter. Okay, you need, so whatever you do, you need to put the enter to take it. Yes, I mean, it's logical. It's not illogical. So, okay, we have one link here. I'm gonna, oh my God, look at that. I mean, it has taken me having the beer being drunk. YouTube, are you doing it on purpose? And I'm gonna take the one here with Jason, because we were talking about Webflow. And we have George here also. George, you are on the screen. And you know, George, the live we did together, it is very popular. It has the most views of my live, of the lives, the most views of my life on the I mean, it has 66 views, and you know, it's the most viewed live stream, recent live stream. So wait, let's take that as well. Share, copy, and put it here. Yeah, we're getting somewhere. Is there a preview? There it is, preview. So not bad, right? Just curious, is there a visibility option like in Elementor and Div to hide the section to do our tricks visible on mobile but not desktop? That's a good question. I don't know yet. I was thinking about it because, you know, it has different settings for mobiles and like different CSS, different font size, stuff like that. But to have something hidden, I haven't discovered that yet. Display layout hidden. Known hides elements. I don't know. We can investigate about it. But I think I'm going to pause now. It's getting late, and I'm just going to take it one step at a time, right, with Webflow. Because there are things I would like also to read in peace and quiet. I mean, if I'm going to reading and learning something, I want to focus sometimes, and it's not like I cannot do it live. Well, I cannot really focus because I get, you know, I need to talk with you people. But, you know, I will be very quiet, and that's not the point of having a live stream. Some people do. Some people have it. I have seen it on Twitch. They do work and they have music in the background, which I have tried to do that on Facebook with stream bits, but I got muted. And I heard also Harris Heller talking about it, that he doesn't like Facebook because of that, because they cannot do anything and they cannot do anything. It is legal to use his music, but Facebook doesn't understand that. So anyway. This is now my journey so far on Webflow. Oh my god, I have more beer here. Spilled beer. And my electronics. Luckily, many of those are waterproof nowadays, so we're good. Anyway, everyone, thank you for joining me again here on my bonus live streams. Maybe I will go more often now since I have, holidays. I'm working tomorrow, but after that, it's officially holiday season. So, and I have a live stream planned for tomorrow, which tomorrow we're going to talk about websites and WordPress. But I don't know if I have made an event yet with a title. It's not going to be a tutorial. It's going to be more of like a story, kind of. The story so far, or how did I end up here? How have I started? Why do I do what I do? Like, not why. What is my, if I have an higher goal or vision, or like what made me, how did I end up here? For a Friday night chill stream. So I hope to see you there. Make sure to subscribe and get the notification, the bell, and like the video. And if you are an aspiring content creator, join us, join in the guild. It's a fun place and you're going to learn a lot. So now I'm pushing all of my click to actions here. This is my website, the one that I'm recreating now on Webflow. I do WordPress and Elementor. This is my main thing when it comes to websites. So for more informations, go there. And I have a free SEO guide. Go get it. It is at accessdesigns.se/ is it called / free SEO guide. Like every word is separated with a line, which I don't know how it's the proper, it's not the underscore, it's just the regular line. Hyphen, it's a hyphen, yes. Anyway, thank you so much for joining, everyone. Have a great day or night or evening, and I will see you around on the interwebs. Wait for it. Yes, now. Good night, and see you on the interwebs. Bye-bye.